Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make a recipe on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1600 pellet grill. The thing is that the recipe name might sound complicated, but it's not. Okay, we will do a goat cheese stuffed duck breast with a French tian, okay, and duck grease smashed potatoes. All right, so it sounds complicated, but it's not, really not. What you need for that recipe is just some tomato, zucchini, an eggplant, some onions sliced, 2 small duck breasts. Here I have really small duck breasts. These are not thick like that, so this is perfect for that recipe. Some olive oil, salt, pepper, of course, some garlic, and some goat cheese. We need a very good goat cheese, please, because we will stuff the 2 duck breasts with that goat cheese. Okay, we will use the Pro Series 1600 at its best because we will first grill on one side only the duck breast to get a great searing on the meat and to get a good smoky taste, a good wood taste. Okay, and then we will use that famous griddle that comes with the 1600. Okay, that griddle, we will use that to make the vegetables and everything. We will do the tian in a small baking dish like that. I show you immediately. It's not complicated. So the first step to do is to slice all the vegetables in thin slices, okay, to create the tian, the French tian. Really easy. So I set at the grill at 232 Celsius degrees, which is the last step before the maximum temperature of the grill, 232 Celsius degrees, okay. And I do the same with the eggplants. So now for the tian, it's easy. You start with whatever, eggplant, then tomato, then onions, need a slice, then the zucchini, okay, and now repeat. All right, once it's done, okay, you salt and pepper, some olive oil, a very good olive oil if it's possible, and some garlic. If you have some fresh thyme, use some fresh thyme. Let's go. Okay, now with the duck, we need to mark the skin, okay? So you don't need to go too deep, okay? It's more a mark. You don't need to cut the meat. What I will do now is to grill the meat side of the duck breast, okay, directly above the flame. So I will just salt and pepper, put some olive oil, just some olive oil, and I salt the meat generously. Okay, this is flour of salt. And then we grill it maybe 1 minute or 2. Okay, what I will do is open the searing plate. Okay, so I get a direct access to the flame. all right, to grill the meat. So now I have a great color. You see, we just marked the meat, so we don't need more. All right. So now I will just place the goat cheese that I sliced on the upper side. Okay. All right. Maybe some more. Need to be generous. And now I will close. It's like a burger, okay? So what I need to do now is to tie the meat, okay, together. Tie the two half side together. So now we will salt the meat again on both sides. Generously. And we will place the griddle in the barbecue. And now we'll let the griddle heat to the maximum for maybe 10 minutes. All right. Okay, now it will go really fast because the tian is perfect. It's done. So I just need to cook the duck and then to smash the potatoes that I have here directly on the griddle with the duck fat. Okay, and some thyme. All right, let's go. All right, now I will add some thyme on the potato. So the perfect internal temperature for the duck is 63 Celsius degrees. Okay. I still have some time. All right, we are almost ready. So time to let it rest, to let the duck rest for maybe 5 minutes. Some salt again, and fresh thyme on the potatoes. You can see that the duck is perfectly cooked the way it should be. Thank you for watching this video about the goat cheese stuffed duck breast in the Pit Boss Pro Series 1600. Hope you appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.